Hi guys, it's Daniel. So today I'm going to be taking out an LCD display of a Samsung Galaxy Core Prime. So first of all, we're taking this out. So after then, we'll remove this metal back plate. So inside we see the LCD display, which gives light to the screen, because an LCD display doesn't generate its own lights like an OLED display. So this glass here actually diffuses the light evenly. It's called a light diffuser. It diffuses the light evenly alongside with this white sheet. They diffuse the light evenly to the display so that the thing doesn't look like the light is coming from a particular source. So let's remove the LCD first. So the LCD alongside with some polarizers has been removed. Then they are greeted with the LCD panel and the polarizing panel, and if you can see, this is actually two sheets together. I don't know if you can see it, so my focus. And this is where all the image are being produced on this glass panel. Because it's broken, actually, that's why we can see the spots. All the images are produced there, and with the help of the the LED light is being, with the help of the LED light, we'll be able to see what is actually being displayed on the LCD. And what the LCD does, it has the power to allow light pass through it, certain amount of light, and not just all amount of light. So that's everything about an LCD display. So if you like the video, please hit the like button and please subscribe for more. I actually spoiled my phone screen for this video. So thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.